Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series. Reset and inherited constructor property is the topic. When an object inherits its prototype from another object, it also inherits the supertype's constructor property. Here is an example. We have a bird constructor, and for bird.prototype we are using object.create and using animal.prototype. And when we create an object based on bird constructor, then and check for constructor property of the duck, then we will get animal. But duck and all instances of bird should show that they were constructed by bird and not animal. To do so, you can manually set bird's constructor property to the bird object. In this case, bird.prototype.constructor equal to bird. And when we check the constructor afterward, then we will get the bird constructor. Task for this challenge: fix the code so duck.constructor and beagle.constructor returns their respective constructors. We have animal as supertype and bird and dog as the subtype. And both prototype are created using the animal.prototype. That means we will need to use bird.prototype.constructor and set it to bird, and in case of dog.prototype.constructor we will set it to dog. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.